Hello.
I'm out of here.
Question number 1 for Charlotte. What sweet food made by bees using nectar from flowers?
Honey.
Excellent. Amazing. It's worth a small dab. Jamie, name the school that Harry Potter attended.
Hogwarts.
Yes, you're on a flying start. Charlotte, which country is the home to the kangaroo?
Australia.
Oh, wowza. Oh, that's in there. Which country sent an armada to attack Britain in 1580?
Spain.
Right, Spain. Charlotte, St. Patrick is the patron saint of which country?
Europe.
No. Well done. Europe's not a country. It's actually Ireland. From what tree do acorns come?
From the tree from the park.
Say what? Both incredibly dumb. No, it's an oak tree.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say oak.
Charlotte, what is the top colour of a rainbow?
Red.
You have to put your hand up. I'm sitting here. Jamie, in the nursery rhyme, who sat on a wall before having a great fall? Yes, nailing this. Charlotte, which big country is closest to New Zealand? No, Australia. Jamie, where in Scotland is there supposedly a lake monster called Nessie?
The Loch Ness Monster.
Yeah, but where?
In the lake.
Called
Loch Ness.
Boom!
How you got the computer so curious, man?
Right, suddenly you've turned American or Canadian. Okay, what is the name of the policeman in the preschool television series Balamory?
Why am I giving all the hard questions?
Did you watch Balamory?
What's Balamory?
Oh my god. Right, it's PC Plum. Jamie, who created the children's book character Tracy Beaker?
Oh, Jacqueline Wilson.
Oh my word!
How are you giving all the damn easy ones?
I never thought we'd get that. Charlotte, how many colours are there in a rainbow?
7.
Boom. Jamie, which river flows through London?
The Thames.
Charlotte, what is the name of the bear in the Jungle Book?
I remember watching a film. Give me a clue, please.
No,
Okay, let me think.
it's Baloo. Jamie, name the most famous nurse of Victorian times who improved care for wounded soldiers.
Victoria. No, I got it, please. Please, can I say it?
And then,
First, nice girl.
yeah, bonus point for Charlotte. Charlotte, what is the name of the toy cowboy in Toy
Woody.
Story? Oh, wow, you are smashing this. Jamie, Pharaoh is the title given to the rulers of which ancient country?
Egypt.
Which Italian city is famous, this is Charlotte, for its Leaning Tower?
Pizza.
What's the town called? The Leaning Tower of
Pizza.
Pisa, not pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza is a something you eat. Jamie, which fictional detective lived at 221B Baker Street?
Sherlock Holmes.
Wow.
How? Guessed.
Charlotte, on a farm, a kid is a baby what?
A baby farm boy.
I mean, technically, yeah. Any ideas, Jamie? No? A goat. Jamie, which English king had 6 wives?
Harry VIII.
Jamie's?
But
It's Jamie's question.
I said it's wrong.
It doesn't matter. Charlotte, what is the name of Harry Potter's pet owl?
Hedwig.
In Jungle Book, Jamie, what kind of animal is Baloo?
A bear.
Yeah. Charlotte, what is the distance around a circle called?
As in what you mean? As in fractions.
No, what's the name of the distance?
A circumference.
Yeah. What is the name, Jamie, of the boy that visits the chocolate factory owned by Willy
Charlie.
Wonka? Surname?
Bucket.
Yes. Charlotte, what is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan?
Tinkerbell.
Or as you used to call her,
Tink.
Tinklebell. Jamie, what colour are
With
Smurfs?
yes, blue.
Yeah. Charlotte, what is the nickname of the bell of the clock at the Palace of Westminster in London? Yeah. Jamie, what type of animal is Bullseye in the Toy Story film?
A spaceman rocket person.
No, horse.
Oh yeah.
Charlotte, what is the name of Peppa Pig's brother?
George.
Jamie, true or false? The horse is the fastest animal.
False.
False. What is the fastest animal out of interest?
Chicken.
Yes. Charlotte, actually, true or false? Mickey Mouse's middle name is Fauntleroy.
Mickey Fauntleroy. No, not true.
Right, it's Donald Duck's middle name. Jamie, how many sides does a triangle have?
3. Duh.
Charlotte, true or false? Harry Potter's middle name is James.
True.
This one here. Jamie, bees create what sweet substance?
Honey.
Charlotte, what is the capital of England?
UK.
What?
The kingdom.
What is the capital of England? What is the capital city of England?
London. I'm just kidding.
Jamie, how many days are there in a fortnight?
I'm not sure.
14. 2 weeks. Charlotte, in which street does the British Prime Minister live?
Westminster Abbey.
No, that's a church. Downing Street. Jamie, Stars and Stripes is the nickname of the flag of which country?
America.
Yeah, United States of America, but Charlotte, who does Princess Fiona marry?
Shrek.
Yeah. Jamie, which planet in our solar system is known for having a ring?
Saturn.
Saturn it is. Charlotte, which country can you see when directly looking over the sea from the White Cliffs of Dover, just a few miles from here? On a good day when it's not foggy and misty, which country? I mean, think about it. Which country can you see from England? Which is the closest country to England, apart from Wales and Scotland and Ireland? Which is the closest country?
Is it where we've been?
Well, you have been there. What's the country that's closest to England? Oh my God. France! Bonus round. Jamie, how many days in June?
30.
Boom. Charlotte, who's your favourite YouTuber? There's only one right answer to this.
Daddy.
Perfect. Jamie, who's your favourite YouTuber?
Daddy.
Perfect.
Just saying, guys, he pointed out himself saying it was actually Sniper Wolf, my favourite YouTuber, and
Right.
not him.
Who's Daddy's favourite YouTuber?
Sniper Wolf, Sniper.
It's me, your favorite messy hair YouTuber.
Perfect.
He's behind the camera, just saying.
Well, obviously, you can hear my voice.
Duh.
I'm clearly here. Right, another quick one.
Yep.
What do you want to be when you grow up, Charlotte?
A YouTuber.
Well, and what do you want to be when you grow up, Jamie?
Artist.
Keep it loose. Favourite food, Jamie?
Pass. And pizza.
Charlotte?
Chicken nuggets.
Charlotte, favourite colour?
Purple.
Correct. Jamie, favourite colour?
I don't really have one.
Wrong, no point. What's your favourite car, Jamie?
Mercedes-Benz.
Nice.
Mercedes-Benz.
Oh, that's convenient. What's my favourite car?
And Aston Martin.
Or?
Lamborghini.
Eh.
So we both get some points?
And what car did I used to have?
Porsche Turbo.
Yes. Right, the first one to answer these. The Statue of Liberty was gifted to the United States by which country?
France.
Yeah, if you boil water, what do you get?
Boiled water? No, you get gas.
Which gas? What's it called?
It's called particle gas. Warm water gets evaporated into the air and there's not much evaporated gas.
I mean, the word we're looking for is steam. So you were overthinking it. Right, what's the capital city of Italy? What's the capital city of the United States of America?
London. It's Canada. Oh no.
The capital city of the United
North
States
America?
of America.
North America.
That's not a city.
Yeah.
No, it's Washington. What's the capital city of Denmark?
Because my mum has a friend who lives in Denmark.
Copenhagen. What's the capital city of Mexico?
Santa Cecilia.
I like that, but no. It's going to blow your mind when you hear it. Mexico City. What is Sniper Wolf's real name?
Alia Select.
Where was Sniper Wolf born?
England.
Who's the most subscribed to YouTuber?
PewDiePie.
Yes. So what should everyone do?
Subscribe to PewDiePie.
And who won?
Probably me.
Right, let's add it up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 23 for Jamie. 5, 10, 15, 20 for Charlotte. Right, so it looks like boys beat girls this time. So should we have another one soon?
No.
Ah, you're going to quit on top.
The prank levels are gonna come. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
Cheese.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button until it's cheese and blue. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. 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 Bye.